Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I am going to show you how to copy and remember multiple lines from documents by a shortcut Windows key. Here, you see a document where I am copying several lines by keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. I copied several lines from the document. Now, I am going to paste those lines. Now you see my clipboard that shows my copied texts. Now I click a line that I copied before. The line has been pasted. Now I pasted other lines that I copied before. You see that I pasted a table here that I copied before. How to do that? To do multiple copies, press Windows key and V together. You will find a window to ask you to turn on the option. Click Turn On. You see that your clipboard is empty. Now copy multiple texts according to your wish. Later press the Windows key and V. You can enable and disable the option at any time. Go to Search and type Clipboard Settings. You can clear the clipboard data and turn off or on the function key. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.